Hello, this is your training buddy's voice. Now we are under the thread tools and I'm going to show you how to use the log tool by answering you all the questions you have. I've prepared you some great examples. Now we should start by opening the thread that has the example and by also clarifying the first question you have. That is, in which cases should you use the log tool? There are two different cases in which you should close threads. The first is when they are on the questions and problems area, and the second is when they are on the rest of the forum. I will explain you how to solve both situations now, starting by the problem when they are on the questions and problems area. Topics submitted on this area should be closed after 7 days without answers, or if the author of the topic asks you to close it. The closing message of the topic should tell something that clarifies the user, if it has not been clarified yet, or direct the user to the support of the game if the problem cannot be solved on the forum. On the rest of the forum, you should only close topics if the author of the topic in question asks you to do it. The second and the third questions will be answered while we are solving the example. So, as you can see here, this message was submitted more than 6 months ago, and he is telling us that he received a new message that he can't read because he thinks the message is hidden. So, since we are on the questions and problems area, we should, before we close the topic, clarify the user. And to clarify the user, I will answer him. In this case, messages can't be hidden. As I told you, since I cannot solve the problem on the forum, I am asking him to contact the support. So, now that we have clarified the user, we should leave the closing message. For that, you can write, for example, this thread is now closed. If you want us to reopen it, please use the report function available on the bottom right corner of this message. Best regards. So here, as I was explaining you, first we need to clarify the question or the doubts of the user or even the problem, and then we should leave the closing message. Okay, in this case I am using this thread is now closed. If you want us to reopen it, please use the report function available on the bottom right corner of this message. Now you can post it, and now we reach the third question. After you submit this message and clarifying the user, we are able to lock the topic. To do it, we click on topic moderation on the upper part of the thread, and then we choose lock. If you see, and if you open the topic again, you will see that no one can submit more entries. If you, by any situation, closed a topic in a wrong way, you can always unlock the topic. And after you click on unlock, everything will be normal again. Don't forget to check the next video. Thank you.